Hello, teachers. Many of you are working together and sharing your quizzes and tests made with Google Forms, and I think that's fantastic. This video will demonstrate the best way to do that. So I am in ClassLink, and I'm going to go directly into Google Drive. I'm going to tap this quiz in my recent items. So notice I have not assigned this quiz yet in Google Classroom, so there are 0 responses. Questions are here. Notice I have an area for last name and first name. Notice in the address bar, the end of the web address reads edit, E-D-I-T, edit. To force a copy of this form and to share the link with your peers, highlight the word edit and type copy, C-O-P-Y. This is the link that you would share with your peers. Now copy that link by holding the Control key down on the keyboard and selecting C. So I'm going to open another tab, paste the link in, Control V on the keyboard. I'm going to tap the Enter key, and as you can see, whoever receives that link is going to be forced to make a copy. That way you don't have to worry about sharing the student's data, the student's responses. It will be a brand new, clean copy that your peers can use. I hope this video helps. Thank you.